Hi everyone, today I will show you double exposure technique by using Adobe Photoshop. Let's begin. So I have an image here of model. Let's open it. Now I need to make a selection of model. So I'll select the quick selection tool and I'll make a quick selection of model. Now I'll go to select and mask to give the hairs more better selection. Now this looks good. Now hit OK. Now I'll select the model image and I'll press Ctrl plus J. So now I have a new layer. Let me delete this one in here. Okay, so now I have to make background of the image bigger. So I'll have enough space to create effect. Press C and expand it a little bit from here and also from here. Okay. Now I'll put our image a little bit on right in golden ratio. Now rename the layer to model. Alright. Now I'll go to adjustment and choose the solid color. Make sure keep the color white and hit OK. Now I'll take it and put under the model layer. Go to image, then adjustment and then choose desaturate. Now let's open our second image. And drag it into the other tab in here. Change its opacity to around 50%. Replace the image to fit where you want it. Change the opacity back to 100%. Now select the model layer and press Ctrl, one click on it. Now select the mountain layer and click the layer mask icon. Alright. Now I'll make a copy of this model layer. So I'll press Alt and make a copy of it and put it on top of mountain layer. And I'll change its blending mode to lighten and we'll get a cool effect in here. Reduce the opacity of it around 50%. Now apply a mask layer on it. I will one click on this layer mask and icon and I'll select the layer mask. Make sure your foreground color is black. Then select the brush tool. Make sure opacity of brush is around 40%. Alright, now start deleting in this area. Now select the mountain layer and make sure you are on its layer mask. Now start deleting area from face to reveal the model's face. Okay. Now select the color fill layer and double click on it. And take a sample color from here. Okay. Now select the mountain layer and press Ctrl plus J to copy it. Then I'll take the layer mask and delete it. Change its blending mode to lighten. So as you can see, it will create a cool effect with the clouds, but these unwanted parts of image are there, so I have to create a black layer mask on it. For that, hold Alt and click once on this layer mask. Now select the black layer mask and make sure your foreground color is white. Select brush tool, then start brushing here to make only this part of clouds visible. Okay. Now select the top layer and go to adjustment and choose solid color and pick a soft pink color. Then change the blending mode to multiply and set the opacity around 20%. Now let's create a stem visible layer. So I'll press Alt plus Control plus Shift plus E. change the blending mode to soft light and opacity 30%. Now we have to crop this area, so now I'll crop it from here, and that's it. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to subscribe and comment. Thanks for watching.